You'll see all this and a whole lot more in this episode of Texas Lexas. Stay tuned, homies.
Woo! We did it. Oh!
A little bit of lizard poop.
Oh my God, it's the mine.
George!
It's a woman.
I'm in trouble, dude. Well, Texas Lexas friends, I'm in Moab. No, I'm actually not in Moab. I'm in Green River. Just got pulled over, but there's not much you can do. So it's been a long time since I've gotten a ticket. Let's see if it happens today. I did throw in the birthday weekend, so maybe he'll have some love for a birthday boy. We'll see.
It was your time.
I should have got one of those police stickers on the back of the car. Those ones that say like back the blue or whatever. That's like the ultimate mod. Oh, I'm getting a printout. Y'all. I see it.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, I don't know if printout's good or bad, but I'm getting a printout.
We should have made...
I know. It's crazy. I used to get pulled over all the time. All right, here it comes. Here's the moment of truth. Do I get a birthday present or do I get a birthday ticket?
I think you're getting a birthday ticket.
Send me some good vibes.
I'm trying to be realistic too, you know what I mean?
All right, sir.
Thank you.
I'm gonna give you a warning.
Oh my gosh.
Don't make me sorry.
I will not.
You gotta take everybody out for ice cream because
That
fine's kind of steep.
I appreciate you very much.
At
I
22
apologize.
over, you're probably looking about $180 to $200 fine.
Man, we would just be turning
So
around.
you at least gotta take pieces of ice cream.
That's for sure.
For sure.
I appreciate you. Thank you very much. And I
All right, just slow
apologize.
down. Just
I will.
Get everyone peace, knowing that your
100%.
pedometer is slower than your actual speed. You may just want to do like 65, 70
Yeah, no, for sure. I will. Thank you very much.
instead of 75, 80.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so
All right.
much.
See you, puppy.
Bye.
Well, hey, you know, I made it 8 years and never been pulled over. So she was
Really?
like, "This is really scary. This never happened before." I'm like, "Hey, I made it 8 years. We're doing pretty good, you know."
All right. Backseat driver's got to warn him when he starts going fast.
You hear that? I'm going too fast. You got to tell me, all right? Okay.
All right. You guys have a good
Thank
one.
you
Be
so
good.
much.
Have a good
Appreciate it.
weekend.
The idea of being the nice guy.
Yeah.
They'll let you off the hook.
Oh man. Yeah. Whoa. Texas Lexas got off. It's gonna be a good weekend. Ahoy, mateys. Today at Texas Lexas, we are doing Dome Plateau. Now the reason why I chose this trail is I come to Moab every year for my birthday. And I wanna say 5 years ago now, it's probably about right, we had my 2004 Eddie Bauer expedition. And I realized very quickly that an ill-equipped vehicle is very unsafe. So we left that trip and I swore I would not keep that vehicle any longer, and I bought a Jeep Wrangler. That Jeep Wrangler took me a couple years, loved it, and it just didn't do what I wanted. It didn't haul a lot of stuff. It wasn't that comfortable. It was very loud on my commute, which brought me to the LX 470, which is probably where I'm gonna stay for a very long time. So today we are conquering the trail that I could not complete in the Eddie Bauer expedition. I hope it goes well. Okay, we gotta be smart. We're gonna air down so we have maximum traction. Love this VI air. Oh, I have found so many uses for it. I've aired up snow sledding tubes. I've aired down my tires multiple times. Hell, I even aired up that basketball over there.
And here he comes.
All right, you want me to go left or right? I guess left.
Yeah.
Finger in front of that lens, girl?
No?
All right. Okay. This is not the part that got me stuck in the expedition. I am taking a harder line and straighter. But the next part is what got me stuck in the expedition, where we brought the tires up like 20 inches. So let's try this part first.
Oh.
That doesn't sound good.
Utah, I think we have a problem. What has happened?
How we looking? Any damage? What am I hitting?
I couldn't see it. You got kind of a hook hanging down there.
Is it the hook?
Maybe. Oh.
What's up?
Well, you're on an angle.
That's okay. That's like I'm not dragging.
Yeah, you're fine. You're not dragging anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
You're good.
How's my butt look?
Looks good. Oh, like, are you gonna drag?
Yeah.
No, not yet.
Am I dragging anything in the middle?
Mm-mm.
Good?
Yep.
Okay.
You kicked some rocks on that one.
Okay. Here we go. Alright. Let me know when you're ready. Don't hurt yourself. How you doing?
Okay, how are you doing?
Rocket's making a lot of mouth.
Uh-huh. Let him out after this one.
Like a lot of licking.
You might want to let him out now.
I'm good. You good? Oh, great little camera first. Alright, here we go.
Yep.
Ooh, this angle feels gnarly.
This is a big angle.
Okay, so Texas Lexas, this is the trouble part. When I was younger, this is where we got caught in a different car. Can he make it? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. He's working his way up there. But he's a far way away. So you can see. Let's just work their way up. Anything wrong?
Going up here.
He's working his way slowly and steadily.
That's what killed the expedition right there. Look at this.
That was that moment.
Child's play. Ball crawling.
Yep.
All right, so once you guys get past the first part, which is the hardest part to get through, and it really wasn't too challenging, it's just a lot of bumps and rolling rocks and dirt. At least so far it is.
Big adventure, tons of fun. Be full heart, be full and strong. Sharing kindness, it's an easy thing. And magic makes it all complete. Have my little pony. I know you're all my very best friends.
Woo! Love that. Beautiful. Gorge. Look over there. Okay, we got a tough line here. I need to keep my tires up on this hill here because I would bottom out like crazy on some of these middle rocks. Or we take the chicken way out over here, which might not be a bad idea. I don't know, I think I can do this. Okay, we're around mile marker 3.9, where we've been warned by the book that there are some steep ledges. They are steep. They are ledges, and this one might actually be a little too big for the essentially stock LX470. Let me show it to you. See, I think I'd be fine coming down this. It's about 14 inches tall. But my concern is when you hit the next one and the next one and the next one, am I just gonna be dropping the ass of the truck? I really don't wanna do that. We are far from anywhere, so I don't want any problems today. Love that, man. We got ourselves a little cheater spot. That's dope. Okay. You know, I think we could do it. I'm just trying to decide if I want to do it.
This is the most sketchy thing any car could do. It's coming towards us slowly and steadily. This is dog rocket ship. Rocket ship. Push
He might try to jump out. How's my line looking, babe?
How's your line looking? Good. Real good.
He's going slowly but steadily.
It's the biggest ledge right here.
Because these big rocks could hurt. So, he's just going to go straight, smooth, steadily. Don't go too out of control.
Yeah, you're good. You're on it. You're on that one.
It's the butt I'm worried about.
What's that creaky sound?
It's my car straining against gravity.
Oh, you got that one. You got it. You broke all those rocks.
6,000 pounds. Plus me.
It's even dangerous for me to go down these rocks.
Okay, come to the left. Towards me. Then you want to be more in the middle?
Yeah, am I not in the middle?
Not really.
That looks like a really big ledge.
Yeah. Okay, we'll stay where you are.
I don't know, I mean, we got this eyeball.
That's pretty big. That's gonna be a pretty big drop.
I'm a little worried about those running boards.
What are you gonna do? Uh-oh. Oh, that wheel is not on the ground now. But it's like a few inches from the ground. A few inches.
How many inches? Running board about inches? If I get hung up, I'm in trouble, dude.
Like 6.
Here, see those rocks back there that I used?
I'm going to get them. Mommy,
some rocks.
you hold this.
But don't get in front of this truck. Gonna make a little rock path. You know, you can get next to it, just don't get in front of the truck. That's just because if I catch this running board, I could have some serious frame issues.
Thank you.
That one didn't look as big to me, this dip.
Would you give me some more, babe?
Many as you got.
Thank you.
Now we know why that little dirt patch is there.
So, to be safe,
just smash it down.
to be
Are
safe,
you filming this?
put
Cool.
some rocks down in front of your car, and if there's a little sand pit next to where you are going, dig rocks out of there.
Okay, that was
Then
pretty good, man.
put some sand on top.
That's
Mommy?
like at least 6 inches taller, right?
Put a little bit of sand on
Did
top.
you just get one more?
Now, is my other side okay? I know you don't want to walk in front of the car, but...
That's how we do it.
Okay, we good?
Yeah, so you're gonna turn this way just a little bit.
I can see it, yeah, that's cool. Thank you. You good?
Let's go.
Alright. Ooh, my back's dropping at the same time.
You're okay. You're almost there.
Reach.
Slide, crunch. You're good.
Whoa, that was a
It
very
worked.
disjointed feeling in my rear end.
Do you want me to stack those back up? Or is it gonna be okay?
I'm trying to turn towards them.
You gotta watch the front too. You're good. That was just the rock.
Yeah, good job. man.
Woo! We did it. Oh! It's where you already had scraping.
I got
Major
excited.
descent. You still have some to go.
It was a major descent.
What's going on over here? Oh, it's like a little ramp.
Go slowly.
Gotta get some dragging going.
I have to go here because, like, no other way.
Hey, remember, that's a bottomless pit, right? Hey. Don't make me nervous, please. This dog's already gonna fall in the bottomless pit. These little ATV guys like to go everywhere.
Okay, I think I got an idea of what to do.
Let's go back to where we started.
Yeah, but instead of going up the steep descent, just keep going straight. Maybe that's the keep going south part.
Shit, we gotta go over this freaking tree right here. Alright, Drake.
You're gonna recover from that.
I might be dragging you out. Am I dragging it?
Oh,
No, it's okay. It smells good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Smells like nature now. The tree is insane. Okay, what do we do next?
Okay, you're gonna go for another minute and then turn right downhill to go to the arch.
All right, we made it to the first destination. We're seeing an arch. And during coronavirus, we are the only people here, which is very exciting. No masks. It's so breezy.
They're all coming across the
If you've ever been in the West, we are in full tumbleweed territory. Just got hit by one, actually. That's what all this debris is on the trail. If you look far away out here, you'll see them rolling. There goes one right here on the street. Whoop! Pretty cool. Okay, so this is where one lucky rancher stumbled upon an artesian spring. All right? We got this really cool old school metal and wood trough that to this day is slightly dripping right now. And it's coming from inside that cave. And that's how he was watering his livestock. Pretty cool stuff. It's very green on video. It's just mold, dude. What do you call that stuff? Moss. Ooh, Rocket, get back here. Get some weird prehistoric disease, dude.
rocks down there.
You see. Okay. Here's the thing about caves, y'all. Guano. Not that stuff in energy drinks. This is a mountain of bat poop.
A little bit of lizard poop.
Okay, take a look really quickly right here at the road surface that I'm on. This is definitely sandstone, or slick rock as it's called in Moab. But doesn't this look like a machine has carved a cobblestone road out of the natural rock? If you know anything about old-timey mining, let me know if some machine used to carve roads for these guys. Because I thought this was definitely man-made. Check it out, y'all. Look out there in the distance. You see two old mining cabins. This is a treat. First of all, it's amazing that they were so well preserved. They're still standing after so much time. And it just reminds you as you roll up there with air conditioning, Bluetooth on your stereo, and a frosty beverage in your hand, how good you really got it.
All right. Probably shouldn't be standing in here. It's cool though. Very cool. Yo, check this out. Got an old flathead motor here. That's crazy. Yo, if you have like a real tough YouTube channel, I'd love to see you come out here and start this block up. Dude, could this be it? Oh my God, it's the mine. Oh, that's sick. Okay, if you wonder where the mine is, there's two houses, one over there, one over here. The mine is down this way, and you'll know you're on the right path because there's a motor over there. I gotta tell y'all, I know it's common sense, but don't go into a mine, especially a mine this old. A lot of people die, man. There are so many little chutes that are thousands of feet deep. Not a good idea. Okay. Very careful as we enter this place. Whoa. It's like a freaking bird's nest. Look at that. Original cabinetry. Man. Crazy stuff. Sounds that, that shimmy shimmy going, doesn't it?
Nuts, huh?
I want to ride them.
Rockets? It's fine.
I know it. I better be prepared for it.
You want to roll up the window?
Yeah. It's too late. What's up, cow?
Hey, cow.
Hi, cutie.
Hey, buddy.
You see him?
Beautiful.
Or pronghorn?
Y'all correct me if we're wrong. I don't know if these are antelope or pronghorn.
They're weird.
We're just throwing out words that we've heard before.
George!
Just saw a little watering hole over here by the pronghorn. And a huge pile of bones.
There's more over there.
Jeez. Lots of spinal cords. There's a huge, like, dog bone looking one in the middle. Right there. You know, you never see a skull. People just always grab the skulls. I want a skull. Okay. Another successful day. That was Dome Plateau. You know, it was a good little spot. It was great for the family. Lots of cool things to see. The cave, the arch. You know, nothing was too treacherous, but it wasn't boring. There's parts you could go up to about 30 miles an hour on the sand. I highly recommend it. I took all the sketchiest obstacles, and even after all the sketchiest obstacles, we still did all right. So, if you want to see something cool, if you want to have some spots you can get out with the family, you know, just besides off-roading, like, you know, you check out the cave, if you want to check out the mining camp, which was really rad. What was the other thing we saw? Oh, it's our own arch, super cool. And I highly recommend this trail. I've done this trail before with my buddies. You gotta stick close to a map. I recommend the guidebook that I use down here in Moab. It's pretty dead on. Things have changed, and ATVs have made side tracks, which make it kind of confusing. If you have a good navigator, you should be okay. Thanks again for watching Texas Lexas. Share my next trip with you guys on another day. Y'all be well.